What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mighty Ken, back with another video, man. Today I'm dropping another thing for y'all, man. Today's video, as you can see in the title, man, we finna get a muffler delete and a resonator delete at the same time. And yeah, man, I ain't dropped a video in a long time, so by the time y'all see these videos, it's gonna be both together. My car had basically broke down, and guess what the reason? The reason was because something got in my throttle body. It got stuck in my throttle body. I'm gonna show y'all the piece right now. Basically, some little plastic thing got stuck in my shit. So say like basically this, like some little plastic piece, some little small plastic piece got stuck in my throttle body. It couldn't move, it couldn't open or close. So it was basically stuck in that way, and the car just wanted to keep on going. I gave it to the mechanic, you know what I'm saying, for a few days, and it was telling him it was the throttle body and shit like that. So we checked the throttle body, and he was like, first of all, the reason why my car was fucked up, while it was sounding like in the first video, it was cause of my throttle body. But now what's it called? He just opened the throttle body, and he just saw a little plastic piece, you know what I'm saying? He took it out, started up the car. The car is just basically good as new, you know what I'm saying? It was sounding the same way. And also, look, I got a new diffuser. I had the stock diffuser now because when I was driving, my other diffuser just flew off. I ain't do it from the bottom. I put zip ties now, but before it ain't have no zip ties, ain't had no screws or nothing, so it flew off when I was driving. Cause you know what I'm saying, I was doing little speeds. You know what I'm saying? So it flew off while I was doing it. And yeah, man. So I had to buy a new one. You know what I'm saying? When you don't have a diffuser on, it basically shows like the whole exhaust system, and that shit don't look cool. So I had to buy just a regular one. And then I forgot how much I bought the diffuser for. You know what I'm saying? And them shit's looking pretty expensive. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just buy that shit later, cause I don't feel like waiting. They was talking about waiting like weeks and stuff like that. I'm not trying to go without weeks with my whole exhaust system showing. So yeah, but yeah, man, I'm about to go head out with my dog so I can get a muffler delete. And yeah, man. Oh, I also got tints, 5% tint, so you can't see. You know what I'm saying? You can see myself. Look at the dreads. I might get a haircut today and do another video and get a retwist. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned for that if I do it. But yeah, man, I got 5% tints all around. And yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all a cold start, and y'all for to see it right now. When that muffler delete come in and a resonator, that shit gonna be loud as fuck. That shit gonna be hella loud. That shit gonna be hella loud, man. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'll come back.
A few moments later.
At the muffler shop right now. 954 mufflers. 954 mufflers. Is I'm getting my fist done. I got like 3 cars ahead of me, so I gotta wait like an hour or 45 minutes or something like that. Be dripping this shit. My shit will be dope for you. I have my tips. Just wanna put it on there. Shit really for be sliding.
Wait, you put it straight piping?
It's gonna be almost straight pipe. Yeah, man.
I should have been went to that shit. That nigga was not gonna be in front.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a review of how them boys do my shit. I feel like they gonna do for you. Like they look for you already. I ain't gonna fuss. 954 mufflers. That shit sound job. I ain't gonna fuss. That shit sound for you.
When you said 954 muffler, I was like, yes, man,
Yeah. Performance exhaust. I ain't gonna fuss.
I don't know what my shit got though.
What?
My whip. Like, I don't know if I got a resonator or not.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. You gotta check. They gotta see it. I ain't gonna lie. Whatever's on there, you just cutting that shit. Yeah.
I like it.
Alright guys, after like 30 minutes or so, my car is up. And yeah, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna start recording and show you the process of what they're doing and all that, and I'm gonna let y'all know y'all should come to them or not. Charger, and they doing my dog Chrysler. Shit sound loud as hell. He taking off the cats. He's gonna take off the cats off his car. And yeah, I'm getting the Super 10, whatever it's called, with the Resonator delete. And I'm gonna have my cats on there. He's taking off his cats, and he already has the Super 10, the what I have, and he already got his Resonators deleted. So yeah, I'm basically getting the same thing, but he's just gonna have his cats off, and I'm gonna have my cats on. I'll probably get it later or something like that.
It'll be what, 6? That price is like good. Then it's not.
You know what I'm saying? Got the carving tips on it. I'm just doing it right now. Hello. About to start it up right now.
Shit ain't die?
Nah, I put a new battery. Good.
Yeah, that fucking, all the trucks he has are fucking, I won't show him. That's what it is. Alright. I'm going to get a new one right now. Now we're taking that off? Yep. Well, I'll trade you a 370. Get in my car. Okay? I'll get about that with my race bike.
Yeah.
I was trying to be on the phone. I was like,
That shit louder than Jake now for sure.
Huh?
Jake shit, your shit louder than his. So.
Nah, but Jay getting his fucking cats removed.
Where's Jay?
I basically got the same shit as Jay, what he had before. Yeah, it's just wood.
Oh, he not here though.
Yeah, but he went to the dentist. He want to slide back. You know what I'm saying? That shit sounded hella nice. I got 9.5 mufflers on the side, 9.54. They still working on the cat. That's not done yet. But yo, my car sound A1. I'm gonna get the cats off. They say it make your car go way faster. I'm gonna do that. Yo, now this shit looking right.
What?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit looking hard. I want yo, JB shit finna be pushing.
Yeah.
That nigga shit finna be pushing.
Your shit pushing for real.
Yeah.
Because I ain't gonna lie, yours a real RT.
Kid. I ain't gonna fuck with them decal stickers though.
You're not lying. I like the fact that them boys got you right.
Yeah, that shit look hard.
Yeah.
Now I need a car wash. Sugar weed. Now all I need is a car wash. I might get that shit today. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Who?
JB started at the same time as yours?
Yeah, me and JB, we put in the cars basically at the same time.
Them boys started on his shit before yours.
Nah, my shit got started first.
His shit about to be done. I seen them boys doing it.
I'm gonna debadge the Hemi. I'm gonna put like 345 Hemi on it. On the side. Yeah, that's the RT Hemi shit. You know what I'm saying? I peep these I feel like this is two different paints, but I don't know. I hope you see a different tone, right? This one was way different, but I feel like you gotta give it time. So like, but yeah, my car dusty as fuck right now, but that shit is hard as hell.
You gotta rep that shit one more time.
One more time? Pull the cameras up.
Boy, that shit hard. God damn.
was an SRT. Boy, that bitch hard. Well, I fuck with that motherfucker there.
But yeah, y'all want your mufflers done? Come fuck with 954 mufflers, man. Come fuck with 954 mufflers. Yo, the moist done. You hear me? What you say? So, my shit jobs, no points. You coming right now? All right. It's 3Bs. Got that. You'll be on the way right now. Yeah.
This shit was 20 minutes away from my house.
Yeah, so they removed the caps. They say it's supposed to move way faster. Alright. You know what I'm saying? Yo. Other part right here. I'll fucking face something back. Yeah, they removed the caps though. Yeah, I fuck with how they got the little red thing. That shit too quick. I like that shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the 954 mufflers. That shit dope for you. I fuck with that shit. Oh. That shit hard. He said that shit would be pushing. Your shit started? I don't hear this shit.
I ain't started.
Oh, it started.
You gotta rev your shit, so.
Rev it.
I gotta fix that shit. This shit gonna fly off. I don't know how to where I'm going.
So that shit, they said that shit gonna be way faster, so.
It is. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Not your shit.
Yeah.
You know what's gonna make it fast? So big. That's the one he got. You see how big that shit is? See, the reason why, you know why your shit gonna be faster? You gotta peep the air that it's gonna give out, kid. I see that they cut it in the middle and in the front. So your shit gonna just give out straight there. Oh, my fault, bro.
So, I don't know if you wanna rev your shit.
Yeah, I'm about to, man.
You ain't present. You ain't present.
And I did.
No, you did it. Hold the camera.
Oh, that was different.
Hold it like this. So you can see it. You can see it through the screen. Type shit. Okay.
Get this shit out of here.
Get your camera job. I ain't
Press
gonna
the
lie.
button. That boy shit sound different.
It should sound like a.
Oh, I told him go from the street all the way up to that 30 sign. That shit sounded hard, homie.
Oh, we in traffic over here.
Oh yeah, I'm about to go cool.
Boy,
I'm about to go cool.
that shit cool.
I'm about to go. I want RT now.
Wait. No. Hold on. Go ahead. Yo, this ain't your shit for me sliding, so. I'm telling you right now, car sounds amazing, bro. Look. Oh my gosh, this shit sounds so amazing. You know, so you got traffic right now. Car sounds so good. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, even try to force shit, you know what I'm saying? You're not supposed to be forcing shit. You got traffic, kid. Don't be doing no dumb shit. I know a lot of these niggas from Miami, they be driving all type of reckless shit, wrecking cars and shit. They be driving dumb as hell. But yeah, man. I'm gonna hit y'all up later. I'm gonna see what it is.
The next day.
Alright, but guys, it's the next day. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go out. Let's see, I got no toes, man. Yeah, I'm gonna go out though. I'm gonna show you this coaster. That shit too loud, man. That cold start crazy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go do something real quick. I'm gonna do a direct update very soon. Might do it today, who knows? But well, the way I upload it, y'all will know. But y'all not gonna see it the same day, but you know what I'm saying, the same day that I'm recording right now. So yeah. It's your boy MUFFLER, man. I'm out, yo. Peace. See y'all next video.